but did they succeed, right? So when we come into a demand zone, there's two things that can happen. Either we can see price kind of bounce off and we can see kind of aggressive sellers be absorbed, or in this case, we saw price head downwards. But how do you know? And this comes from essentially reading the order flow, right? So now, as price comes in to this level, what we see over here is we see kind of a lot of low volume up here. So this low volume here indicates a lack of interest for these higher prices at that particular time. That's important to understand. Now, as we come into this area, one thing I find fascinating is that as we came into here, we had a lot of blue delta. Now, when we see blue delta, the blue delta is positive delta. So these are aggressive buyers that are trying to drive price up. But did they succeed? Right? Did those aggressive buyers succeed? Well, they didn't, right? Because this zone got broken, right? But were those aggressive buyers successful? No, those aggressive buyers were not successful. And this is what shows us that this is now a demand zone that's flipped to a supply zone. So this is a supply to demand flip zone, or in this case, a demand to supply flip zone.